Awning Windows McLean, Virginia, offers homeowners a perfect blend of style and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can choose from custom awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and aluminum awning windows to suit their specific needs. Awning window installation McLean services ensure that each window is expertly fitted to provide maximum energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. For those seeking energy-efficient awnings in McLean, the benefits are numerous. Energy-efficient awnings help reduce heating and cooling costs by providing excellent insulation. Awning window benefits McLean include improved ventilation and natural light, making them a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Awning window replacement McLean services are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Over time, wear and tear can affect the functionality of awning windows, making replacement a necessary step. Awning window replacement McLean experts can guide you through the process, ensuring that your new windows meet your specific requirements and budget. Custom awning windows McLean offer a personalized touch to any home. With a range of awning window designs available, homeowners can select the perfect style to complement their home's architecture. Custom awning windows McLean services provide tailored solutions that enhance both the appearance and functionality of your windows. Awning window maintenance McLean is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and inspection of awning window hardware McLean, ensures that your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Awning window maintenance McLean services can help identify potential issues before they become costly repairs. Window awning repair McLean services are available for homeowners experiencing issues with their awning windows. Whether it's a problem with awning window locks McLean or awning window screens McLean, professional repair services can restore your windows to optimal condition. Window awning repair McLean experts have the skills and experience to address a wide range of issues. Awning windows McLean is an important consideration for homeowners planning to install or replace their windows. The cost can vary depending on factors such as awning window materials McLean, size, and design. Awning window cost McLean experts can provide detailed estimates to help you budget for your project. Awning window ventilation McLean is a key feature that enhances indoor air quality. By allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping out rain and debris, awning windows improve the comfort and health of your home. Awning window ventilation McLean services can help you select the best options for your needs. Awning window security McLean is a top priority for homeowners. With robust awning window locks McLean and durable materials, these windows provide excellent protection against intruders. Awning window security McLean experts can recommend the best security features to keep your home safe. Awning window suppliers McLean offer a wide selection of high-quality products from leading awning window brands McLean. Whether you're looking for vinyl awning windows McLean or aluminum awning windows McLean,